So how free is Amazon Web Services free tier? Let's take a look. I do like what Amazon has done here with this AWS free tier page. They have kind of streamlined everything, into one scrollable page where you can kind of see all the deals. Because before, what they had was you had to go to each service's individual page and click on a button or two buttons sometimes to see what the free tier was. So it was very like kind of hard to get all the information together. It would take a little bit of time, but this is cool that they kind of put it all in one place. I think it actually leads to more sales because they actually do have a lot of stuff for free in AWS free tier. I mean, if we just take a look at a few that I've used, um, like Amazon EC2, 750 hours per month. Like this is probably, and this is 12 months free by the way. So they have a lot of stuff that's only for the first year, and then you have to pay, and but they do have some stuff that's always for free. So the EC2 free tier, they give you with the it's not the EC2 Nano, but it's one step up. It's the EC2 Micro. So basically, you get one EC2 Micro server per month. It's pretty useful. You can run a web server. You can run a lot of things on this server. Um, and I found that's probably the most valuable thing. It's like you get this free web server for the first entire year of your AWS account. That's probably the most valuable thing I found out of. Um, they should like move this right to the top. Um, okay, I see. So they're promoting RoboMaker, which is their new service, and Amplify Console. Um, Not really sure what that is. Okay, it's some way to build some modern web app that could be useful, but sometimes the cookie cutter deploy things that they build for people are not always customizable in ways that you would think that they tell you they are. Anyways, maybe I'll make a future video on that. We'll see. Amazon S3, so 5 GB of storage. I mean, it's pretty good. Free storage. You could even have, some content for a website hosted there, or just an entire straight up website hosted in S3. So this is pretty useful. I remember I saw, well, no, most of these other things I haven't even used. Um, Amazon API, oh, whoa, Amazon API Gateway, 1 million requests. That's pretty useful. I mean, you know, for free, that's really cool if you're building a scalable API. Amazon Game Lift, 125 hours per month. That's kind of interesting, but I'm not really like why isn't it like a whole month's worth, you know? Maybe because it's a bigger server. Maybe that's why they couldn't quite do it the full 750 or whatever the EC2 was. Now let's take a look at the always free. And this is like, I mean, it's kind of amazing that they do offer some services always for free. I think it's pretty cool. I think if they wanna, they could always offer more. Um, like if they offered one free EC2 server like forever, that would be crazy. Like everyone making a new small web app would probably try, or at least consider trying out AWS. AWS Lambda, 1 million free requests per month, and this is not for 12 months. This is per year. So that's like really cool, especially if you're building like a serverless web app or scalable API. I mean, it's just free compute power. It's awesome. Amazon Dynamo DB up to 25 gigabytes of storage. NoSQL storage solution, pretty straightforward to use, I found. Um, I tried Code Commit once. It was very clunky. Um, GitHub is just so much easier and intuitive. Code Pipeline, that's cool. They give you one free per month. That might be new. I don't remember that they even gave one for free, but um, it's just like an auto deployment process. SQS, they give you 1 million requests per month, which is pretty cool. It's just a queuing service. Code Build, this is just part of Code Pipeline that, you know, runs scripts to package up your code once you commit it. Yeah, so honestly, I thought they would have a little bit more here. Um, as you can see, they offer way more 12-month free services than always free services. I'll check out trials. I'm curious what this is. Okay, so these are just like, so to sum it up, like how free is Amazon free tier? You can use some of the basic services for free. I mean, that's basically what I found. But some of those basic services like S3, an EC2 server for 12 months, million request API gateway, million compute seconds per month for Lambda. I mean, that's like a lot of what AWS is used for, you know. Um, some of the newer stuff does have, you know, free tier, but a lot of it doesn't as well. Yeah, anyways, that is it for this video. Subscribe if you want more AWS content, and thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.